We have the pizza sales data, which stores the sales by day across various pizza stores in the city. Now we want to find out by day which store made the maximum sale and what was the total sale for the pizzas across all the stores for that day. So for example, if you take the January 1st data, we have 4 pizza stores here, and you can see that US Pizza made the maximum sales on that day, and the total sales across the city on that day was 6,153. So 31.72% is the share of pizzas sold by US Pizza that day. How do we achieve this with BigQuery? We are familiar with the group by function in SQL. So we can do select star from the table group by date, and we can say date and sum of pizzas. Now this will return the total sales by day. But the problem with the group by or the aggregate functions is that we lose the information of which store made the maximum sale. This is where the window functions come into play. The window functions compute the values over a group of rows and returns a single result for each row. This is different from the aggregate function, which returns a single result for a group of rows. So this group by and the sum is an example of aggregate function where it returned a single value for a group of rows. Now let us look at the syntax for the window function. So the window function takes a function name and also it has an over clause. The function name is like a sum function or a rank function, etc. And in the over clause, you would specify the window or the group of rows or the partition of the rows on which you have to apply the function. Now let's look at how to solve this problem. So we have 3 parts here. One is like we have to find the total pizza sales by day across the stores. Let us use the window function to find out that. So let me write the query, select date, store, pizzas, and we need to find the sum of sales partitioned by date. So first I use the function here sum of pizzas, and then I will give the over function and I have to specify the over clause. Here we need to partition by the date and from sales dot order by date ascending. So this gives the sum of sales by date. So if you can see here, on 1st of January, our total sales was 6,153. Now for 2nd of January, 6,053, and 3rd of January, it is 5,749. So this is the difference between an aggregate function and a window function. An aggregate function returns just a single result, but a window function returns a result for each row. So as you can see here, 6153 is repeated for each of the rows we have in the input. So now we have got the total sales across stores by day. Now we need to find out which store made the maximum sale on that particular day. For that, we have a function called rank. So we can do rank, and here we need to partition by date. Now for doing a rank, we also need to mandatorily specify an order by clause. Now here we are interested in finding out the store which made the maximum sales, or in other words, we just need to do order by pizzas descending. So now let us see the output of this rank. So you can see that we got a new column here which stores the rank. So the rank 1 is US Pizza, which made the maximum sales on January 1st. And if you see on January 2nd, rank 1 goes to Pizza Hut, which made the maximum sales. Now that we have ranked the sales, we just need to select the store which made the maximum sale, which is nothing but the store with rank 1. So how do we do that is, we can just put a where clause and add a rank. So we can do select star from where rank equal to 1, which means I need to alias this column as rank. Now if I do this and run this, so you can see here that for each of the date we just got one record with the name of the store which made the maximum sales, or the rank 1. Now we need to combine the total sales and the rank together. The total sales was the one which we made earlier. So we can do sum pizzas over partition by date, and we can call that column as total sales. So this means that now we have achieved two of the requirements. So we have found this total pizza sales by day across stores, which we have putting in the total sales column. We have also found which store made the maximum sales on a day, which is the rank column, and the store name also we are showing it here. Now the last requirement is we need to find the percentage of sales that the store made on that day, which is a quite simple computation. So what we can do is we can stop showing the rank column, because this rank 1 is just getting repeated, so we don't need to show the rank column. So we can just select star except rank, and I will also compute the percentage of sale by the pizza store. So select star except and rank, and then we will do pizzas by total sales star 100, 2 as share. So now we have got the required results. So we have the date column. So for each day, which pizza store made the maximum sale. So the maximum sale count is also here 1952. And what is the total sale made on that day, and what is the percentage of share of sales made by this store on that particular day. So in this case, US Pizza made a 31.72% sale of the total sale of pizzas across the city.